Hello there, welcome to the teaser video of the Python course for beginners. First, let's talk about the overview of this course. In this course, we will cover up the basics of Python, and by the end of the course, we will make a game using Python, and I'm sure you will be confident enough to make a game on your own. I will give some coding challenges related to what is taught as homework, and I really request you all to sincerely try it by yourself, and then the solutions will be told in the next class. It is okay if your answers don't match, but try again and focus on improving. Please note that this is the first course I'm uploading, and kindly forgive me for any mistakes that I make. Also, I will do my best to keep this course as structured as I can. As for requirements, all you need is a PC. That is the best thing about programming. You don't need a lab or some heavy equipment. You can make a difference in the world just by coding in your PC. The PC does not have to be a high end. A normal PC is fine. A notebook and pen are optional but preferred because noting important things is always beneficial. Even coding simultaneously with me is also enough. But if you're a strict or passionate learner, then sure, go ahead and grab a notebook and pen. After a lesson, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask it in the comment section and I will do my best to reply as soon as I can. That's it for today. Good luck and have a nice day.